This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Happy New Year to all of you. And today, I want to show you something perfect to start this new year. This is going to be the system of 2024, where everybody, and listen to this, everybody's going to experience real transparency, security, and of course, profitability, because so far the results are looking very, very good. This is an automation that is going to perform trading on our behalf. It plugs directly into PancakeSwap using your MetaMask wallet. It's going to find the best options in the market to perform those trades. They have a very smart system to do all of this. They also offer multiple crypto pairs to do this type of trading. The best part of all is that you're going to have full control of your capital. Your money stays in your control all the time inside your MetaMask wallet, or you can also use your Binance account. You're going to need an API connection to do that. But guess what? No more Ponzi schemes, no more ROI contracts where you just lose your money all the time. We have real trading, real results. We can do that with multiple coins. It's super easy to use, but if you need some videos, well, they have all of that covered. Those videos are short and simple to follow. The support is also super fast, and they have an open Telegram community. It's a very positive community, and if you have any questions, for sure they can help you with this too. This is called Jonny Blockchain, the first decentralized PancakeSwap crypto bot. I'm super excited about this project because I already have some results. I put a couple of hundreds there. I wanted to learn more about the system, and I also want to show you the results. As I mentioned already, you can connect your Binance account, but in my case, I decide to use MetaMask. All we need is USDT in the BIP20 network and some BNB to pay the fees. To me, that's the easiest option, so I connected with MetaMask, and still the funds are always inside my wallet. Some of you are going to ask, okay, how much I'm going to make here daily? What's the daily percentage? They cannot promise a fixed rate because all depends on the market. A bot like this works in a different way. The first day you can have a 1%, the second day you can have a 5%. The following days you have no trades. Suddenly in the day number 8 you have a 20% gains. The results here in Jonny Blockchain depends on the market. This is what really happens when you are doing trading. Let me show you the results from some of the users. In this bot, they got a 138%, a total of 21 transactions. Another one here with a 174% out of 209 transactions. Another one here, 123%. More results right here, 282%, 78%, 12%, 44%. I saw one the other day of 1,200%, and that was since August. One of the plus is that compared to other similar bots in the market, this one is very cheap. We need to pay a yearly license, and that one costs only 25 USDT. Let me show you here in my profile. When you open your account, I suggest you come here and provide the wallet address you want to use. Make sure it's also the same wallet you're going to use for your trading if you are using MetaMask. Activate your 2FA authenticator, which is a must anyways. Then we're going to go where it says getting started. Watch this video. After you register, you can also access the step-by-step user's guide. They have one video for every single step that you need to follow. I didn't have any issues to get started. Let me show you my dashboard. I have 5 bots running here. I put 100 in each one of them. We should take advantage of tokens that have bigger fluctuation. If you click here where it says DEX trends, they are giving us a bunch of alternatives, the most profitable ones, and it already generates a 2,882% in ROI. We have Cake, AVAX, even bigger coins right here, Solana, Link. You have Bitcoin, very good returns in all of them. So that's how you can find your pair. Let's say you want to go for this one. We're going to click right here, create a new robot with GGG. This is where we set up our bot, give the name, and I put the amount that I'm going to assign to this bot. You can also find here the other pairs. All right. Right here we have our exchange options. We have Binance, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. It's set up in single run. If you click on this one, it's going to create a loop. That's the one I'm using. They explain all of this, even how to stop the bot inside the trading videos. We connect our MetaMask wallet. We approve the token. Let me show you how to do that. There you go. Now I connect my wallet. I need to approve the token. It's going to pop up my MetaMask. Approve. I'll do the same with USDT. And I approve. We don't need to buy those tokens. The system is going to do all of that. Just make sure you always have a balance in BNB to pay your gas fees and also USDT to fund your bots. Right here you can put the amount that you want to allocate for your bot, the initial order. I didn't touch anything else. I just left it as default. Here is where we can plan our strategy. They have a very easy to follow video about all of this. Again, you will find it in the guide. After that, we just click in save, let it run. And this is exactly what I've been doing. I'm going to test a couple of coins, something that probably has more fluctuation. Can this bot liquidate my account? It can go to zeros. Let me show you right here. It says warning, this robot already in progress of trading. Those are my settings. I have 100 in this bot, but the initial order is only 20 USDT. They are not trading with your full amount. That's why we allocate at 20% for our first order. Having multiple options, it will give us bigger profits. I have right here a 13%, 5%, 9%, 8%, 10%, and this is not even 2 weeks. Oh, here in wallet, remember you need to connect your MetaMask wallet, just like that. If you want to use the DEX trading, that means using your MetaMask, you pay this license for 12 months, that costs 25 USDT. It's the same with Binance, 25 USDT. With this one, you need to integrate your API. With this one not, it's only your wallet. Yeah, 26th of December I got started. But I remember the first day the bot didn't run. And the reason was I need to have at least 10 USDT in this wallet. So I typed 10, I clicked top up, took it from my wallet. And I also need to have some BNB to pay the gas fees. The minimum is 0.04. I think I need to put more now. Let's do this. Let's try to top up. My MetaMask is going to pop up. Just click and confirm. Let me click on my ledger. There you go. Waiting for the transaction confirmation. And confirm. Make sure you always have enough fuel balance to pay your gas fees. If not, your bots are going to stop performing. All right. Make sure when you already open your account, you come here to getting started. Watch the first video, follow the steps. There is nothing difficult. And remember, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with me. I'll try to help you. You will also find right here the link to the Telegram group. It's an open community. If you really want to grow this year with a project that is secure, that offers transparency, that is also giving phenomenal results, I suggest you take a look at Jonny Blockchain. The license is also super affordable. The bot got started probably 3 months ago, but the person behind all of this, his name is Jeremy. He's been working behind the Jonny Blockchain ecosystem for the last 9 years. That's what I heard. So we have someone with experience. He's also having a lot of content on YouTube. It will be great to bring him to the channel so we can chat about all of this. Let me know if you guys want to see more about Jonny Blockchain. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes and I will appreciate your comments. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to receive notifications from my future updates. I can show you my progress. I can show you my results. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. Happy New Year once again. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you in the next one.